Lennon, when you throw a snowball at Daddy, that's what you get. Oh my, you're in trouble now. Gotcha. Not even close.
Yeah.
Go get Daddy. Get him, Lennon, get him! Where's your snowball maker?
It's inside.
Get him, Lennon! Get Daddy! Get him! Get Daddy!
Mommy.
No, Mommy!
Yeah.
Where are you going? What are you gonna do? Uh-oh, he dropped it. Ah! Boink. What's the matter? Mommy, what did Mommy do to you? What did Mommy do to you? Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. No? Why not? Is it too hard to get up? What? What? Oh, is everybody getting you? Oh, that's not fair. Oh, now you made him cry. I've had enough. Oh, what did they do to you? Oh, no, now he's crying. What did they do to you? Go get Maya. Go get her. Go get her. Get her. Get her. Uh-oh. Not in his face. Oh, drama. Get her, Lennon. Don't cry. Just get her back. Get her back. So now I'm just going to lay on your legs. Lennon, get her. We have to teach you what a whitewash is.
Yeah, I can teach him how to karate chop you guys.
Go get Maya.
That would be fun. Lennon, do this.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lennon. I didn't mean to get your face. Someone's gonna be in trouble. Down. Down. That was pretty. See, we knocked Maya down too. Where are you going? Where are you going? Just let her have it. Teach her a whitewash, Mike. Oh, just put you just put the snow in your hand and you wipe it on her face.
Let go of me.
Oh, you really want me to let go of you?
Yes. No. No, what's on my face?
Get her, Lennon. Get her, Lennon. Take care of Daddy's light work. Please stop kicking. No, what? Sit down.
Maya, not gonna.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Uh-oh, what? You having problems, Lennon? What are you gonna do? 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 Go get Maya.
Gotcha.
You missed! It's cold, huh? I did get it in your face, didn't I?
Get it out of my eye.
Not really. I think it's about time. Say bye-bye, Snow. We'll see you later. Say bye-bye, Snow. We'll see you later. Ew.